Let's unbox and build the Arttystation Opera module 36mm paint drawer. Not So Average Builder is brought to you by these great retailers. There'll be promo codes in the description below. Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder. And like I said, we're going to be building a sliding and tilting paint drawer shelf. You get in the box these pieces. So I went ahead and built the 26mm as well. The only difference between the two is the drawers themselves. And on the 36, they've got this little divider piece. And on the 26, that piece isn't there because the bottles are taller and narrower. I love these. The ball bearings really make a difference. As you can tell, this is not moving. It is not glued on. I simply used the supplied dowels to lock them in place. But I mean, there's still storage in here for decades. Plenty of room. Just got my Mr. Hobby stuff, my Tamiya stuff here. All my Turbo Dork paints are on this rack. That is solidly all turbo dork. Down here is my Vallejo, Secret Weapon Miniature, and Scale 75 paints. But I'll probably get a better organizational style once I use this thing a little bit more and actually put it where it's supposed to go. On the top here is the sliding and tilting drawer paint shelved 36 millimeter. And this one is the 26 millimeter. They're identical, and even the shelves are identical. The only thing that's different is the placeholders that hold the paints. One's 36 millimeters wide, one's 26. If you've got a lot of Tamiya and Mr. Hobby paints, now I did find out too that their standard size and their larger size fit just the same. That'll save you a lot of hassle. Now the bigger ones, Mr. Surfacer, will not fit. It just hits the top. So you'll have to use these on a paint shelf or a regular shelf or whatnot. SMS paints, the bottle width is right, but they're just too tall, so they will not fit into the drawer. They hit the top. So if you have any of those paints, and then also splash paints, bottles are too big. They won't even fit in there. Even their 30 mil might fit. Let's see. No, which one has empty? Yeah. So you could use like a smaller 30 mil like this. It'll work as long as it's a smaller one. And this is splash paints, Jägermeister Orange. Like I said, USA Gundam Store stocks these, so they are available on their website. If you're wondering how these things looked, how these things worked, look no more, worry no more. They're right here. That's all I got, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.